Dennis DeJean here. Tonight I'm making ham and bean soup. Let's get started. I'm not gonna saute anything or do anything complicated. Everything goes in the pot and you're done. Oh yeah, welcome to Standard Egg. Juicy. Ham. Yeah, what a spread.
Make this easy on yourself. Garlic, ham, onions, potatoes, peppers, tomatoes, parsley,
can of beans. Ooh. I am gonna add a little bit of bacon fat I had left over. Use your judgment. Sorry about my pile of dirty dishes. Okay, watch me spice this puppy. And you guys are under the spices tonight, so you can look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. I bought some celery salt the other night to make hot dogs, but I'm gonna try it in here, because what else am I gonna use it for? And it smells awesome. Is it salty? It's pretty salty. That's pretty much pure salt. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to be careful now with my chicken stock, because chicken stock is salty also. So. Fresh tub! And then, I really don't want this to be peppery, like it's ham, you know, it's kind of, I don't know, it's not that ham and pepper aren't good together, I don't want it to be peppery tonight. A little bit, but a little bit, you know, you always need a little bit. Red wine vinegar, balsamic vinegar. Okay, the soup is done. Just gotta let it boil and I'll tell you how it is. Thank you. Okay, to make this a little more tomatoey, I wish I had some tomato paste, but I had some leftover pizza sauce, so I'm gonna just put a little bit in. I don't want it to be too Italian, but I want more tomatoes, so. Watch that bubble away. Hey guys, I decided that this needs a little bit of cornstarch slurry to thicken it up a little, so I'm just going to show you how to do that real quick. Peer into my sink. Equal parts water and cornstarch. Just mix it together and it'll just be like a milky color. And that'll help keep it thick. Alright, that's what she looks like. I'm gonna try it without sour cream, and then you guys know me. I'm addicted to the dairy. My mouth is drooling. I think the celery salt is actually really adding a lot to this. I think celery salt's a good move. Boston ham chowder. Alright, today I have some real treats for you. Okay, look, I already started this. I got water boiling. We gotta jump into it. I'll tell you what I'm doing later. I gotta boil some spinach. Following a recipe today. Got the Hors Durvs book. Oh, I lost my page. If you've never separated eggs before, it's real fun.
There we go, it's begun. It's begun! There you go, stick right in the shell, huh? Oh yeah. Oh, okay, hopefully that's okay. Alright. There you go. Got that puppy open. That white out of there. And this one's on. Let the white run off. Look.
Oh, perfect. Beautiful. Okay, now it says refresh this with some cold water. To be honest, this spinach is kind of smelly. Ooh. Should probably like drink this. It's probably really good for you. Weird. Okay, that's good enough for me. Okay. And so it states. Squeeze dry with your hands. Place the spinach, egg yolks, salt, pepper, and nutmeg in the processor. Blend to a smooth puree. Spinach. Yolks. Teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon black pepper. And nutmeg. Alright, that looks good. It says to put this on a prepared sheet. I have no idea what that means, so... Okay. Ooh, yummy. Okay, I gotta beat these egg whites into stiff peaks. I feel like this is gonna take an hour. Okay, stiff peaks. Okay, a stiff peak. Oh, it came right out of the bowl. It's so stiff. Okay, you don't want to break up those bubbles. You're not stirring, you're folding. Okay, it's calling for a 14 by 10. I think I've got like an 8 by 12. Let's do this. Kind of looks good. Okay, 10 or 12 minutes in the oven. Need some space, huh? Okay, got a package of cream cheese. Now, when I zest my lemons, I like to start at the top and work my way down. The juice of 1 lemon. That's nice. 2 tablespoons of dill. Okay, a little salt. Oh, it's looking good. Oh, herbed cheese. Oh yeah. Now for the frittine. When you put butter in the microwave, don't forget it. Oh, you guys don't care if you see me cracking eggs. Oh! So, my coworker's talking about cracking eggs with one hand. Oh, I destroyed it! But, no shells. Just bust them. And there you go. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. It's like a big sheet of spinach. 3 tablespoons of cream. Okay, parsley, nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Just a tablespoon of parsley. Okay, that looks good. It's, well, it's just runny eggs with parsley in it. I don't know why I did that. Pro tip, the back of your refrigerator is colder than the front, so I always put my dairy in the back and everything else in the front. Okay, so I got some marinated artichokes. And now I have even less marinated artichokes. Cook until golden brown and set on both sides, 5 minutes total. Oh, how am I gonna flip this? How am I gonna flip this? It's like golden brown. I never cook eggs to golden brown. It's gross. Okay, half a cup of ricotta. 3/4 of a cup of olives, finely chopped. Okay. The big flip. Oh! Ooh, it's pretty. Didn't quite flip it, but... Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, don't forget your weird omelet while you're cutting your olives. Today I learned if your olives have like white, kind of waxy spots, they might not be moldy, they might be oxidized. So, think about that. Oh, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Yes. Yes, you did just watch me eat some butter. What can I say? It's so thin and just like, oh, I'm excited about that. Well, my second egg cracked and broke into a scrambled egg mess, basically, so we'll see how that goes. Ricotta and olives. Okay, so what I want to do now is eat butter. Spread some ricotta and olives around this. Okay, now I gotta roll this puppy up. Wish me luck. Okay, meanwhile, my cream cheese is now hot. Oops. But it's very spreadable. Okay, now this I'm supposed to cut in half. Get my machete out for it. It's like ice in a cake. Like ice in a big spinach cake. The recipe called for a half a pound of smoked salmon. I got a quarter pound and I think it's plenty, so.
Roll it from the long end. What?
It's like some weird French sushi. Instead of rice, we use cheese. 2 cloves worth of garlic. A half-inch piece of grated ginger. 1 red chili seeded. 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And the juice of 1 lime. Okay, and those are supposed to marinate for an hour in the fridge. Okay, oh, that fish sauce stinks. Chinese style shrimp, we go with 2 cloves of garlic, minced, half-inch piece of ginger, freshly grated, half a tablespoon of Chinese hot chili sauce. So I thought maybe sambal oelek, but that said it was Indonesian. I have some Szechuan fried chilies in oil. I'm gonna try that. Oh, I can't resist it. This is my favorite stuff on earth. Tablespoon of light soy sauce. Mine isn't light, but whatever. Or maybe it is, I don't know. 1 tablespoon of honey. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, I got about 1 tablespoon out of a half a lemon. I missed the cilantro. Well, there's 2 tablespoons of cilantro. It smells good. It smells really good. Yeah. It looks really good. I mean, it's raw shrimp and it looks pretty good. Okay, wow, that smells good. That smells good. All right, into the hour for 1 refrigerator. So just as with any cured meat, as soon as you open it, you want to take a bite. I'm gonna skewer some scallops here. Put a piece of basil down. I'm using big honking pieces of basil here. Put a piece of basil down, put your scallop on top. And wrap that prosciutto all the way around it. Oh, that's easy. Okay. Well, we'll see how it goes. Right now I need to make some béarnaise sauce. So, 6 peppercorns, a sprig of tarragon, a sprig of, it's supposed to be chervil, but I got parsley, 1 finely chopped shallot, and 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and then we're just going to cook that down to 1 tablespoon. 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 egg yolks, okay, 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, now, butter, very slow, very slow. A little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. Sauce béarnaise. Alright, now, I gotta put in my tablespoon of fancy vinegar. That looks about right. It says slowly. A little bit of chopped up tarragon and parsley. And that is sauce béarnaise. It's just beautiful. Cool. Little sushis. Okay, just pop the shrimp in the oven. Gonna flip them over in a couple minutes, then the scallops will go in, and I'm gonna skewer up these shrimp. Okay, that's it. That's hors d'oeuvres. That's so many hors d'oeuvres. There's gonna be more hors d'oeuvres coming in the following weeks. I love that book. I'm crazy about that book. So it's time to taste test. Time to tell you guys what I think of all this stuff. So we'll start with a little appetizer. The cold omelet with olives and ricotta. It's almost chocolatey. I can't tell you why, but it's almost chocolatey. It really would be so good with some wine. That is a wine appetizer. That's great. Okay. I'm gonna try my strange spinach artichoke concoction. The texture of the egg white spinach thing is so nice. It's like spongy and light. It's really good. This could be good with a ton of things in it. That's really cool. That's really good. All right. With the smoked salmon, I mean, we know this is going to be probably even better, but well, that's just great. Was it worth the trouble? Absolutely. Yeah, that was great. Let's try the Thai shrimp. Now, the fish sauce stinks on these. I mean, they smell like kind of bad, but let's try it. The fish sauce is it's a little much. Maybe I could have done less of it. But you do get the hot chili and the lime and the garlic. It's all there. It's good. I mean, it's good. It's not bad, but it's a little fish saucy. It's just kind of strong. Chinese shrimp. These smell super good. And before I cooked them when they were still raw, like when I pulled them out of the fridge for marinating, they smelled so good. So that's so good. I could eat like 30 of these. I'm expecting these scallops with prosciutto and basil to be the best by far. And I have béarnaise, so it almost seems like it's cheating, but okay, into the sauce. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited for this. What it is like, first you get prosciutto, and you're just like, wow, that's a mouthful of prosciutto. But then you get the scallop, and then the basil just completely clears all of it out at the end. So it's just like all of them in a row. I want like a spoon for this béarnaise. I don't know what else you can eat béarnaise with, but wow. Just put my finger in it. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. To the 10 of you watching, you're my day ones. I got you. You're the best, you know. Someone leave me a comment. No one's left me a comment yet. And I want to talk to you guys. I want to hear from you. Tell me what you think of it or what you want to see. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching Standard Egg. I'm your host, Dennis DeJean, signing out.